Is it already over before it even begins? Because right now, legal experts are asking a very real question. Can Blake Lively's case actually survive long enough to reach a courtroom? What started as a powerful narrative is now facing intense scrutiny from lawyers, industry insiders, and even studio executives. Today, we're breaking this down from a legal perspective. What the documents show, what the law actually requires, and why some attorneys are quietly saying this case may be in serious trouble. If you care about Hollywood accountability, legal truth, and what really happens behind the scenes, hit like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's strip away the headlines for a moment. This case is not about internet opinions. It's not about fandoms, and it's not about who's more famous. At its core, this is about legal credibility, consistency of claims, and whether the evidence supports the public narrative in civil cases, especially ones involving workplace conduct, power dynamics, or alleged coercion. The burden is not emotional impact. The burden is proof. And according to multiple legal analysts, the problem here is not one document. It's the pattern emerging across multiple documents. Legal experts are pointing to one key issue: Blake Lively's own written record. A letter submitted in mid-2024 intended to support her professional claims has now become central to the controversy. Why? Because in that document, she describes significant authority over production decisions, claims involvement in budget, scheduling, staffing, post-production, and marketing. Positions herself as a decision maker, not a passive participant. From a legal standpoint, this creates a major conflict. Lawyer reaction: you can't simultaneously argue you were powerless and demonstrate executive-level control. Courts look for internal consistency. This doesn't automatically disprove anything, but it raises serious legal questions. Here's something many people don't realize: courts don't judge vibes, they judge timelines, authority, and documentation. If a plaintiff's statements show control in one context, powerlessness in another, without clear explanation of how both can coexist, defense attorneys will exploit that gap aggressively. One legal analyst put it bluntly: in trial prep, this is the kind of contradiction that gets highlighted on a projector. And here's the bigger issue: this case may not even reach trial if a judge determines the claims are legally inconsistent or fail to meet evidentiary thresholds. That's why experts are now asking, can this survive pre-trial motions at all? Another major legal red flag: the producer credit dispute. Industry lawyers note that producer credit is not symbolic. It represents authority, responsibility, influence. If someone successfully argues they functioned as a producer, that can undermine claims of exclusion, undermine claims of lack of power, change how a court interprets workplace dynamics. One entertainment lawyer said, "You can't argue you were sidelined while also arguing you ran the operation." That tension alone could be enough for a defense team to push for dismissal or settlement leverage. So is it over? Not officially. But here's what legal experts are watching: motions to dismiss motions for summary judgment, discovery risks. If opposing counsel successfully argues there's no genuine dispute of material fact, or the plaintiff's own statements undermine the claims, the case could end before trial ever begins. And that's why this moment matters so much. This isn't about choosing sides. It's about how law actually works, not how social media wants it to work. Right now, Blake Lively's case isn't being challenged by gossip. It's being challenged by documents, contradictions, and legal standards. And in court, feelings don't win cases. Evidence does. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think this case makes it to trial? Or does it collapse under legal pressure before that happens? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like the video if you appreciate clear legal breakdowns. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes Hollywood analysis. This is Behind the Trend. And we'll see you in the next one.